For many years I struggled as a painter. I always believed that there were secrets to fine art painting that I couldn't get a grip of. I was looking for ways to improve my painting, but I always felt my paintings were sort of flat. They were not communicating what I felt about the scene. There was something about the light that I wasn't happy with. I tended to paint too much information, too much detail. There was an important element, and as many beginner artists, I was looking towards the end of the painting. After a time, and through the kind instruction of some master artists that I learned from over the years, there was a clarifying of how to solve this problem. But there was one particular moment, and I still remember it very well, where it was what you may call the light bulb moment, the typical situation where it just cleared up. That moment was when I realized that I was looking at the wrong place. As far as my paintings was concerned, what I had to get right every time took place before I even started painting. And more importantly, it was about creating a powerful impact. Whether I could pull that off or not depended on how I planned and saw that scene right at the beginning, the preparation stage. So in this course, I'm going to show you exactly what that moment was for me and the technique that I used that made it possible to know whether the painting was going to be a powerful painting or not. And this simple technique, which only takes really a few moments when you're familiar with it, less than 10 minutes is all it takes. But by getting that right and being comfortable at the start with the painting, I was able to consistently assess and produce a painting that had a pretty good chance of success. Maybe you haven't seen some of these techniques before, but I can assure you that if you put these steps into practice, you will find an immediate improvement and an immediate strength to your painting that will be noticeable not only to you but to anyone who sees your paintings, and you won't look back from there. I'm Malcolm Dewey, a professional artist. I've been painting for many years, and I spend a lot of time also teaching artists and beginners as well. Maybe you're in that position yourself. So it is my goal with these lessons to help you and to give you useful tools and techniques that you can use right away. So enroll in this course and let me show you the important secret of preparing your painting.